Hello friends, welcome back to another session of Docker. So in our last session we are done with we are done with we are done with modifying the container and create the image from modified container. So far we have seen that we can create image, we can download, we can pull the image from Docker Hub, and or else we can create our image from container also. In last session we have seen how to modify the container, how to create image from the modified container, how to save that modified image into some file, how to load from the file. We have seen all those in our last session. In this session we will see the prune command. So what is prune command? First let's see. So the prune command is used to remove the unused object from Docker engine. Prune command is used to remove the unused object of Docker engine. Now what is the Docker object? Tell me. So far, what type of object you have seen in Docker? We have seen only two types of object in Docker. One is image, another one is container. From image we are creating container, and image we are pulling from repository Docker Hub, or we are creating from modified container also. We have seen, but two more objects are there in Docker: network and volume. Volume and network are the other two objects. We will see that later. So prune command is used to remove unused object. Simply, prune command is used to remove the unused object from Docker engine. So far we have seen images and container, two types of object. So we will see how we can remove the unused object using prune command. So this is very simple. Using prune command is very simple. Simply what you have to type: docker image. If you want to remove the unused image, then you have to type image, docker image prune. You have to type the prune command, then a. So it will remove the unused images. So let's try this. Copy. And how many images are there? Tell me first. Total 3 images are there, and if I execute this command, this will remove all images without at least one container associated to them. So is there any container that is associated to Ubuntu? I think I'm not sure whether it is there or not there. So currently give no and see how many containers are there. Clear it. See how many images. These are the images. How many containers are there? See the container also. So only one container is there. So one container that is created from which image? From my Ubuntu image it is created. So from Tomcat and Ubuntu there is no container that is created. So now execute your prune command. Now what this warning it is telling? This will remove all images without at least one container associated to them. Is there any container that is associated to my Ubuntu? Yes, one container is there. It will not remove. Is there any container that is associated to Tomcat image? No, it's not there. It will remove. Is there any container that is created from Ubuntu image? No, it's not there. So it should remove Tomcat and Ubuntu image. It's done. Now you see images. Yes, one image is not removed. What is that image? My Ubuntu, because this image has a reference of one container. Okay, so this is the use of prune to remove the unused image. To remove the dangling image. What is dangling image? See, in your Docker local repository there are so many images, that is called dangling images, because each, suppose you are downloading Tomcat, okay, yeah, Tomcat image you are pulling from Docker Hub. After that one you are pulling MySQL image. So suppose both images are based on Linux operating system. Internally they are using Ubuntu operating system, so it will not pull Ubuntu again, because Ubuntu will already saved in your local system, in your local image. So that is our dangling image, that will not be shown here, but that will be part of your image, that is called a dangling image. To remove any dangling image, you can use Docker image prune, copy, paste and see. Yes, give here y, that's it. Total calculation 0, nothing is there. Okay, clear it. Next you want to remove the container. I want to remove the container object. So I have removed image object, dangling image and other normal image I have removed. Now I want to remove the container. So all container it will remove, whether if it is running or not running, something like that. It is giving a warning, this will remove all stopped container, only stopped container it will remove. So it is remove it, one is removed. So now there is no container at all, there is no container now. Okay, fine, but image is there, because image we have not removed, image is there, one image is there. Okay, fine. Next if you want to remove some volume or network related, you can do that one, but currently we also have not seen anything about this network and related, but just execute and see. We'll see that in next in our upcoming sessions. It is removing or something, or not there, 0 byte, because currently we have not created any volume. Okay, even we have not created any network related stuff also, network related object also we have not created. So this also just try once simply. Okay, that's it. So this is all about the prune command. And if you don't want to remove one by one, like for volume I have some separate command, and Docker volume, Docker network, Docker container, Docker image, Docker image prune, something like that. So I don't want like that, I want to remove in one command. So simply you use Docker system prune your entire, to remove all Docker such as image, container, volume, network, including cache, everything it will remove, You can try this. Yes, type yes. How much it is removed? Even it is removing my Ubuntu, that also it is removing. Whatever image we created from the modified container, it's removing that also. Removed. Now you see how many images are there. There is no image, no container, no volume, no network. So this is the use of prune command. Simply if someone asks what is the use of prune command, simple. The question is question number 27. What is the use of prune command? This command is used to remove the unused object. That's it. Unused object. The object in okay, if you give this question answer, I will ask another question. I can ask another question from here. What is that another question? What is objects? What is object? What is object in Docker? So the Docker objects are image, container, contain, container, volume, network. Okay, that's it. Okay, that are so far that is the object of container. Okay, object of Docker. Next, how to remove unused image using prune? Simply, question is very straightforward. Now you can very easily you can answer those. How to remove unused image from Docker using prune command. How? Simple, very simple answer. Docker image prune a, that's it. That's only what we have did here. Docker image prune a. Okay, that's it. Next, what is how to remove unused dangling image. Unused dangling image from Docker. So just you have to remove this a. What is dangling image? Now another question arises here. What is dangling image? What is dangling image? What is dangling image? What is dangling image of Docker? Dangling image is the part of image. You can say simply the images that are the part of your image and stored in your local repository, repository called dangling image. Simple, called dangling image. That's it. We'll see more we will see through examples. We will see. Okay, that is dangling image. Fine. This is question number 31. Next question is so many. I think a lot of questions you can make from here. How to remove container object. How to remove unused container object. Okay, or you can say used container only from Docker using prune command. How can you do it? Simple. Docker, instead of image you have to use Docker containers. Docker container prune. That's it. Docker container prune. That's it. This only. Docker container prune. 32. Now question number 33. How to remove unused volume from the container. Simple. Just you have to, instead of container you have to give volume. 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 That's it. Network, how to remove unused network object. How to remove unused network object. 34, question number 34, how to remove unused network from the Docker using prune. So you have to give here network. That's it. Next, how to remove all unused object. Unused object is what? Image, container, all this image, okay, image, container, volume, network from Docker using prune. Question number 35, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So for this one it is very simple. Docker system, you no need to tell each type of object. System, SYST, system prune, Docker system prune, A you have to give. That's it. Docker system prune A. That's it. Okay. So this is all about the prune command in Docker. Prune command is used to remove the unused objects from the Docker engine, or unused object of Docker, that's you can say. What is Docker object? Docker objects are image, container, volume, network. Next, how to remove unused image from the Docker using prune command. So Docker image prune A. Dangling image if you want to remove, then use remove -a. What is dangling images? The images that is used inside your image, that's called a dangling image. Okay. How to remove unused container from the Docker? So container, network, that's it. So this is all about the prune command of Docker container, Docker. Okay. In the next session we will see how we will write the Docker file. So far we have seen two ways to create the Docker file, Docker image. One is you download from Docker Hub. Second, you modify the container, and from the container you create image. One way, you download the image from Docker Hub. Second, you create image from modified container. Third approach is, that is very powerful, that is create the image from Docker file. Create the image from Docker file. So we will see that in our next session. So I hope you like this session. Please subscribe my channel and do your financial support. If you really find this content is useful, so please make your financial contribution also. Yes, and the financial contribution you can do here. Whatever the amount you want, you please do that. And we will see you in our next session. Till that, bye bye, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.